This is what freestyle motocross is all about. Now we're going to do it just a little different. Completely off the bike, one-handed grab. Two-handed grab with a twist, going into a helicopter. That's awesome stuff. They're doing it for you! Do a little something. But first, I need the person over there doing video. I need the person over there doing video. Please turn your video cameras off. No video, please. Over here.